In the next 60 seconds, you'll see how AI will answer questions about your business instead of making you build the reports. At Xorosoft, we have built an AI-powered ERP with an MCP server. It allows tools and LLMs like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini interact securely with Xorosoft ERP. Instead of searching through reports, just simply ask your questions in plain English and you will get answers based upon your business data within Xorosoft ERP. Now let's see how easy it is to connect Xorosoft with your LLM like ChatGPT and Claude. So in this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT as my LLM. So what I will do is I will just go to the settings, click on apps. You'll see all your apps connected. I'll just add one more app and add your credentials, your tool and everything. And in 1 second, your LLM will be connected to the ERP. And we can ask questions based upon each department. As you can see, we can have finance intelligence, inventory, purchasing, manufacturing, warehousing, sales, and even cross-department information. So for example, I'm going to go to ChatGPT, select Xorosoft ERP and say which items will likely be out of stock in next 7 days. So look what Xorosoft does, that it looks into different models, whether it's purchasing model, sales model, your forecasting models, your manufacturing models, and it's combining all that information and giving you realistic information or realistic report within a few seconds instead of you going and pulling 10 different reports. So gladly in this case, there are no items showing a scheduled demand to ship within the next 7 days, which is interesting. But if you look at it, ChatGPT is showing information that's currently in Xorosoft. If you look at, there are a lot of items with 0 net available quantity. All the information is being shown in front of you. I can also ask questions from finance, like I can ask, show me my P&L for the last 12 months. See, within a few seconds, you see all your P&L in front of you without running any report. So if you look at it, you see your revenue, your COGS, your gross profit, operating expenses, net profit, and it's actually telling you that your revenue is increased over 60% of the 12 months and all this information. And we can even look at some follow-up questions. Why did my profit increase in Q2? So now it's analyzing the revenue. It's analyzing that there are 3 main drivers. The revenue grew consistently, gross margin remained stable, operating expenses grew more slowly than the sales. Let's see which items contributed to this growth. So in this case, it's giving me the gross profit for Q2 and it's looking at the products, which is the travel backpack, the canvas tote, and you will see the system is giving me all this information within a few seconds without running any report. Your sales department can ask questions like which orders are delayed and why, and they'll get information in a few seconds. Let's test this. See, it's giving me information on all the SOs, how much time they're being delayed by, and what are the root causes for those delays. Imagine getting this information from your team. You would have to wait for days. See, you're getting all this data at your fingertips within a few seconds without running a single report. This is the power of Xorosoft ERP. Your AI, whether it's Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, they can securely connect to Xorosoft ERP, and now you have information available to make better business decisions without telling 10 people to build reports for you. This is Ziad, co-founder and CEO of Xorosoft, and we demonstrated you a small demo where we showed you a reporting agent interacting with Xorosoft ERP. And this is just the beginning. There are agents on sales, purchasing, manufacturing who give you the information and also able to do tasks within the ERP at a pace much faster than you're currently able to do right now.